Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Juliet Bisdak at ito po ang aming entry. Kasama ko po ang Boom Davao Vloggers of Fun Mindanao. Po ang aming ipapalabas, a life story of Senator Manny Pacquiao.
Feeling pandesal, so even we're too young to work, but we have to work. We don't have our own house, we don't have land, we don't have even food. We just, we have to work every day to make money to buy food for the family, just to earn money to buy food. Hungry, sometimes we don't have food to eat one day and we just drink water.
I wanted to become a professional boxer, so I went to sign up for a boxing license. They told me the required age is 18, but I was only 16. So I lied and told them I was 18 years old. At that time, I weighed 98 pounds, which was 10 pounds under the minimum weight. So in order to make weight, I put heavy objects in my pockets to make me heavier. I keep on fighting and I was always winning.
Si Senator Manny at Jinky unang nagkita sa Ukay-Ukayan. Dahil rito, si Senator Manny ay pabalik-balik dahil may nagustuhan itong damit at nabantayan na pala ito ni Jinky at dito na nagsimula ang kanilang love story. Sa simula pa lang, si Mami Junisha ay ayaw talaga niyang magboksingero si Senator Manny dahil ayaw nitong makita na nasasaktan ng anak. At sino ba namang ina ang makita na nahihirapan ng anak? At dahil sa pangarap ni Senator Manny ay lalo itong nagpursige sa pagboboksing.
There was a tournament, the Mindanao Open. For 1 week I fought every day. I won on Monday, then came Tuesday I won again. Then on Wednesday I fought for the bronze medal. Thursday I won for the silver. Then on Saturday I won the gold medal.
Pagkatapos ng laro ay umuwing panalo si Senator Manny sa kanilang probinsya at dito na nakita ni Mami Junisha na may kakayahan si Senator Manny sa pagboboxing. At sa palabas na ito sa totoong buhay ni Senator Manny Pacquiao ay huwag tayong sumuko sa hamon ng buhay dahil tayo ay may kakayahan na matupad ang ating pangarap.